Following the Federal Reserve announcement of a 25 basis point interest rate cut, U.S. stocks closed mostly higher, boosting a strong rally sparked by Donald Trump's return as the president. The Dow ended flat for the day, while the S&P 500 gained 0.75% and Nasdaq jumped twice that amount.
U.S. stocks finished flat to higher Thursday after the Federal Reserve cut interest rates again, extending a sharp rally sparked by Donald Trump's return as U.S. president. The Dow ended the session unchanged, while the S&P 500 added 0.75% and the Nasdaq rose twice that. The S&P and Nasdaq notched record closing highs. The Fed reduced rates 0.25 percentage point as policymakers took note of a job market that has generally eased, while inflation continues to move toward the U.S. Central Bank's 2% target. Brian Mulberry, client portfolio manager with Zacks Investment Management, calls the market reaction encouraging.
Even after the Fed cut, we're not seeing any big moves on the 2 or the 10-year yields either. Everything's just kind of holding relatively steady. Overall, that's got to be seen as a positive, as we're sitting now at record high territories across the board. Nobody's really having second doubts about the rally that happened yesterday. I think that's pretty positive.
Stocks on the move included Warner Brothers Discovery, which jumped 12% as the media company posted a quarterly profit after a loss was expected. And Zillow surged 24% after the online real estate broker's quarterly revenue topped estimates.